Hey, I came across your website. I just want to give some feedback on this. Um, yeah, your website is an informative one, and it's so clean, and I like it because there are links that or there are information that clients would love to read, and I like it that way. And yeah, now let's take a look what's happened online as far as what people on the Google search or see. Let's take a look at the customer looking for a service would see on Google and what we are. Wait, I'll show you to you. I'll show it to you. What we're looking right now is a ranking grid. This is a ranking grid, and you can see you are number one here in the middle, right in the middle area, which is your Google profile location. That around that it drops off quickly. This corners quickly, and one of our suggestions. We are giving business on this right now is to put another profile and a website in another corner of the city right here that you want to grow into. Let us take a quick look to see how you are ranking. As you can, wait, I'll show it to you. Wait, Bluders. Bluders. Okay, as you can see, um, you are at the 48th position. This is where you're ranking overall in the entire area. So above you are the same service companies who offers the same as you. So what we are thinking, or what we can suggest, like I said before, is another website and another business Google profile. We're gonna send you an example of a website that we offer or we built as a test model that we could brand for you, and help you put up another profile to get you another or more jobs or more work to do. So if you have any inquiry or if you're interested, please let us know. Send us an email or yes. Thank you.